Welcome to the topic on as preparing an Angular application for deployment. Once you've developed and tested your Angular application, the next step is to prepare it for deployment. This process involves optimizing the application, reducing its size, and ensuring it's ready to be served to users efficiently. In this topic, we will explore the essential steps to prepare your Angular application for deployment and ensure a smooth and performant user experience. 1. Introduction to deployment preparation. But as you near the completion of your Angular application development, it's crucial to take the necessary steps to ensure your application performs well and provides a seamless experience for users. Preparing an Angular application for deployment involves a series of optimization techniques and best practices that help in reducing load times, minimizing bandwidth usage, and delivering a delightful user experience. 2. Building for production. Every step in preparing your Angular application for deployment is to create a production build. Angular offers a dedicated command to generate a production-ready build, which optimizes the application for performance. To create a production build, you need to run the following command in the terminal. This command will compile the application's code, perform ahead of time out compilation, minify the files, and remove unnecessary code and debugging information. 3. Tree shaking for smaller bundles. Tree shaking is a crucial optimization technique that eliminates unused code from the application. It analyzes the application's code and removes dead code that is not being used, resulting in a smaller bundle size. By enabling the AOT and prod flags during the build process, Angular automatically performs tree shaking, helping to reduce the size of the final bundle. 4. Leveraging lazy loading. Leveraging lazy loading is another strategy to improve the application's initial load time. By lazy loading modules and components, the application can defer loading certain parts until they are actually needed, reducing the initial bundle size. Angular's built-in lazy loading mechanism allows you to load modules dynamically when users navigate to specific routes, ensuring that only the required modules are loaded on demand. 5. Content compression for faster delivery. Compressing the content sent to the user's browser can significantly improve the application's loading time, especially for users with slower internet connections. Server-side compression techniques like gzip and Brotli can be configured to compress the response data before sending it to the client. This can be achieved through server configuration or using tools like Angular Universal. 6. Implementing caching and cache busting. Implementing caching mechanisms is crucial to reduce server load and improve the application's performance. Browser caching can be used to store certain resources locally, allowing the browser to load them from the cache instead of making a new request to the server. Cache busting techniques, like adding a unique hash to the file names of static assets, ensure that the latest version of the application is always served, even if the user's browser has a cached version. 7. Leveraging content delivery networks. Using content delivery networks can enhance the application's performance by distributing the application's static assets across multiple servers worldwide. CDNs reduce the latency by serving assets from a server geographically closer to the user. Angular applications can easily be hosted on CDNs, making it easier to scale and improve the user experience for a global audience. 8. Performance auditing and optimization. Conducting performance audits is essential to identify areas where the application can be further optimized. Tools like Lighthouse, WebPageSpeed, and Google PageSpeed Insights can be used to analyze the application's performance and provide actionable insights. Optimizing assets, reducing server requests, and implementing best practices based on performance audit results will enhance your application's overall performance. Summary. Preparing an Angular application for deployment involves several optimization techniques to ensure it loads quickly and efficiently for end users. By creating a production build, tree shaking, lazy loading modules, and implementing caching and content compression, you can significantly enhance your application's performance. In this topic, we covered the key steps to prepare an Angular application for deployment, ensuring it delivers a fast and responsive user experience.